Question number 5 is from special equations. I'm sure that you all must have done at least one question of this type. Okay, so let's start solving this one. 1 upon x plus 2 upon y is equal to 1 upon 12. So I'll keep 1 upon x on the left hand side. 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 12 minus 2 upon y, which can be written as taking LCM 12y in the denominator, y minus 24. So the value of x will come out to be 12y upon y minus 24. Okay, which I'll further write it as 12 bracket y minus 24 plus 24. Okay, so I've added 24, I've subtracted 24. You will understand why I've done that. Okay, I'll separate the denominators. In the denominator, I will have y minus 24. Okay, now after this, the next step will be careful here. So x is equal to 12 times y minus 24 plus 12 into 24 is 288 whole divided by y minus 24. So x now can be written as 12 plus 288 divided by y minus 24. All right. Now here, for x to be an integer, either positive or negative, does not matter because they have not mentioned positive integers or negative integers. So I should consider all of them, positive as well as negative. So for x to be an integer, this entire term should be an integer. That means 288 should be completely divisible by y minus 24, or in other words, y minus 24 should be a factor of 288. Okay, so let's calculate the factors of 288. So first of all, I'll consider all the positive factors, and then I will consider the factors with negative sign as well, because the values of x and y can be negative also. Okay, so 288, if I'll factorize this number, it can be written as 2 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 3 squared. So the number of factors of 288 will be 6, that is 5 plus 1, multiplied by 3, that is 2 plus 1. Okay, so the number of factors is 18. Now all of them are the positive factors. Okay, now corresponding to each of these factors, number of factors is 18. Corresponding to each of these factors, I will get a different value of y. That will give me a different value of x. So for these 18 positive factors, I will have 18 solutions for x comma y. Okay. Now if I consider the negative factors as well, right? So whatever factors are positive, I'll put a negative sign in front of them, and I'll give you an example. So let's say one of the factors of 288 is 2. Okay. So I'm saying that the value of y minus 24 will be equal to 2. Corresponding to this, the value of y comes out to be 24 plus 2, that is 26. And the value of x comes out to be 12 plus 288 divided by 2. 288 divided by 2 is 144 plus 12, that is 156. So these are the values of x and y corresponding to when I will consider the positive factor, that is plus 2. Okay, but if I consider the negative factor, minus 2 is equal to y minus 24. So the value of y will be 24 minus 2, that is 22. And correspondingly, the value of x will be 12 minus 144. All right, denominator will be minus 2. That will give me 12 minus 144 minus 132. So 22 is the value of y and minus 132 is the value of x. Again, this solution should be considered because I'm looking at the integral solutions for this equation. Okay. So corresponding to these 18 positive factors, I will have 18 solutions, and correspondingly will have 18 negative factors also. That will give me further 18 solutions. So the total number of solutions should be 18 plus 18, that is 36. So 36 will be the correct answer, the final answer for question number.